Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions, and feel free to leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Enjoy the video. On November 22, 2022, Macy's loss prevention employees were monitoring a sneaky little robber on their ceiling-mounted camera. This criminal, who I will call Stupid Robin Hood, was filmed concealing store merchandise, then just walking out of the store. He was quickly detained by the loss prevention staff and just needed to be hauled off to jail. Officers with the Humble Police Department were dispatched to pick up Stupid Robin Hood and his little pal. FYI, I know it's pronounced humble, but I'm going to keep saying humble. Stay mad. This is a criminal in their natural habitat. This is Stupid Robin Hood's partner. If you watch, you can see her take some items from one part of the store over to her criminal mastermind of a boyfriend, who then conceals the item in a plastic bag. As everyone knows, this is typical shopping behavior, and absolutely nothing sketchy is happening here at all. There they go, hiding their stolen loot like a squirrel hides a nut. If only they knew about security cameras. Now comes the final stage of Stupid Robin Hood's plan. I will admit it's not complicated. All he is going to do is walk out of the store. Little does he know, loss prevention is miles ahead of him and the police are already on their way. And that is why he is called Stupid Robin Hood. Because he steals from Macy's, and in return we get to laugh at him. And there he goes, off into the sweaty arms of some loss prevention employee.
Just you can hand him all that stuff, yeah. Go ahead, put your stuff down.
That's the one of the numbers he's gonna use.
Okay, you can just put that in your pocket. Go ahead and face the wall, put your hands on the wall. I'm just gonna pat you down real quick, okay? What's that? So the value, they told me it's $258, which is a Class B misdemeanor, which is an arrestable offense. So I'll let you know. So you probably might go to jail, okay? How'd you get here? You drove here? You drove here? How'd you get here?
I was in the bus.
Okay. All right, go ahead and turn around. Put your hands behind your back. I'm just going to detain you. You're just being detained right now, okay? All right, just have a seat, okay? He has an ID? Or how, yeah.
Put it in there.
Oh, okay.
Put it in.
Gotcha. So how did he?
So he was with another female. So she was initiating the stealing, but he had the attempt with the bag. And when I did the pat down, this bag was on him. So she selected this. He went over, opened the bag. It concealed all the stuff. He walked out first, like
Gotcha.
and then she had like Ferguson gift sets, but she dumped everything and burnt off on him. So
Where'd they? So that bag.
I know it's kind of hard to hear the employee. Bodycams aren't known for their quality after all. But if you couldn't hear, Stupid Robin Hood's partner managed to escape capture and lives on to steal another day.
he could steal into the Mason bag.
They already had the bag?
I don't know where that one
I think it's from Victoria's Secret. You know, they sell like the...
It came out with stuff, so.
So
yeah.
basically, boss, at that point, me and Alex switched cameras because we thought the lady was going to go into do a fit and room case. So I saw him, bag was taken out.
Yeah.
She dumped everything in that bag. They were walking up.
Okay. Yeah.
So she ended up, the girl he was with ended up dumping the fragrance gift set, which we didn't have selection or concealment on. But we were watching her because she had made quick selections in women's fragrance and then put the selections, they were small palmable items, she put them in her hoodie pocket. So we kept watching her. And then that was when she went, she quickly selected these 4 pieces of clothing, met up with him, concealed in the bag. He walked out with the bag. She took a right and didn't exit the store.
Was that small bag inside this big bag?
No, so this was on him. Like he
already had it in the
he
pocket.
had the jacket on. When I felt it, I thought it was merchandise.
Okay.
But he had that bag on, didn't it?
He just walked straight out with that bag with the clothes in it. Okay. Alrighty, cool. So I guess maybe she might have had the plastic bag and gave it to him. Then she might have just had it somewhere in her pocket, maybe.
No, because he had that one that you see right there that's on the floor in the room.
That one?
He had that one, and he had this one. That one, assuming he probably just had them in his pocket.
Well, I guess it's unknown though if they got it from the store, if they already came in with the bag, maybe.
Yeah, it's unknown.
I got you. All right, cool. No problem.
But you can never tell him about this because this is he probably try to feel this up too.
Yeah. Let me get y'all case number. 16 case number.
Case number 5381, 5381.
Here you go.
Appreciate it.
That's clear. Showing in custody.
Look at this wall right here. Those are all cards from other shoplifting arrests, and the retailer isn't just eating those costs. Ultimately, the good people in this world who don't steal end up paying more for items because some entitled people think it's their right to steal. And this is in Texas. Imagine what's going on in California. It's a whole state filled with stupid Robin Hoods.
In custody at 1845.
All right, man. That's all your stuff right here? Nothing else?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Those your shades? Let me hold them.
58-year-old Jerome Allen was arrested on 1 felony count of theft with 2 previous convictions. Unsurprisingly, Grandpa Jerome has an extensive criminal history, including multiple convictions for theft and possession of a controlled substance. If convicted, he could face up to 20 years in prison, all for $258 worth of merchandise made by underpaid laborers in Honduras or China. 20 years for $258. Now that's an investment.
Appreciate it, man.
All right, bro.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.